Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Sidehacker. In this one, I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme GT device. After the recent update from the benchmark application, yes friends, we did get the latest update, which is 9.2.2 benchmark test application version. Let's see, using the latest version, what can be the benchmark test comparison between these both phones. And during this time, I'm going to use the GT mode, which is present in these both devices. Let's see, using the GT mode, how much the benchmark score we can actually achieve. And first, let me try to do the basic reboot test between these both phones, because that's the main thing which a lot of people, they did ask me to do the restart as well every time when I'm trying to do this kind of benchmark test, just to get the better results. That's the reason I thought of including this kind of reboot test as well. So first, let's do the restart and then we'll try to do the benchmark test. And I'll try to use the GT mode in both phones. So using GT mode, we'll try to perform this kind of testing. Then we'll be able to analyze what is happening with the overall result using the GT mode. And we'll try to check even the temperatures. So what is happening with the temperatures between both phones. So both are exactly 32 degrees in beginning of starting the test. Not bad. Exactly very close regarding the temperatures. Now let me try to open the benchmark test application and start doing the testing. So all the apps are completely clear from the background as well. And let's try to turn on the GT mode. So GT mode should be somewhere around here. Yes. GT mode is on and yeah. GT mode is on even in this phone. So both phones, the GT mode is completely on, and we did get a notification. And sometimes in the Realme GT Neo 2, you can see the GT mode, even though I did turn on, it's not visible right at this moment. It's not showing in the notification toggle, whereas the Realme GT, so this is a Realme GT where it's showing clearly in the notification toggle. It's not showing in the notification toggle. I think there's some kind of bug or maybe some kind of fix, some kind of problem. So yeah, now we got in the notification panel, as you can see exactly. Just now it got activated successfully. So now let me start the benchmark test application. So both phones, I'm using the latest version 9.2.2 only. So during this time of comparison, let's see using the latest 9.2.2 how much we can actually get the benchmark score. CPU and the GPU scores I'll try to compare. Even I'll try to compare the temperatures, which one has got what type of temperatures as well during this time. In this way, we'll be able to figure out what is going on between these both phones regarding the temperatures. Very close, right? 35 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius. Not bad, so very close. So I can be back after some time. So finally friends, we got the benchmark test results for the both phones, and using with the latest version 9.2.2 you can clearly see, and using with the GT mode. And we got the results in the Realme GT. For some reasons the score decreased overall. As you can see clearly, it went up to 7,90,000. So usually the phone will be having around above 8 lakhs every time whenever I try to do the benchmark test in this phone. If you watch my previous videos, you will definitely have that kind of idea. But right now it went below 8 lakhs during this time of demonstration, you can clearly see. And the temperatures, it did increase up to 42.1 degrees, highest temperatures 42.1. And Realme GT Neo 2 also increased up to 38.4 degrees. But you can see clearly side by side comparison how much huge difference is there regarding the temperatures. And you can see the CPU usage, so CPU score is about 1,88,000 and 1,99,000. So this Realme GT Neo 2 scored higher than the Realme GT device in terms of the CPU scores. As you can see friends, that's kind of quite shocking to see. And GPU is about 3,21,000 versus 2,39,000. The GPU score, you can clearly see friends, not bad. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. This is a quick comparison side by side between these both phones regarding the benchmark test results. And stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.